Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. This is an update on my little Zen paradise here in beautiful eastern coastal Florida. And you can see that the use of several of the permaculture concepts I cover on the channel are paying off. Most notably, bunny manure everywhere. And you can see the lush green growth that we're accomplishing. The chickens are certainly enjoying it, getting a lot of fresh greens to eat every day. Have a nice area to free range in the shade all day long. Hey, if you're not subscribed to Eat Your Backyard, please subscribe and leave a comment. Also, go check out my original music channel, Jedi Jingle Maker. I have 5 albums. Maybe you'll like one of them.